Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove the front bumper on Honda Civic. Before removing the bumper, first we need to remove this plastic panel, and then we need to move back a little the mudguard so that we can get to the bolts. Here this plastic panel is a little bit broken, so I'm not gonna remove it all the way, I'll just remove the bolts while it's there. This is one of the bolts that holds the bumper. The other bolt that holds the bumper is right there. Just you need to lift, need to move back the mudguard, and you will see the bolt. It's you need a screwdriver. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. Now we go on the other side to remove the bolts on the bumper. There is a plastic clip on the bottom that we need to remove. Then we need to remove this plastic panel as well. Remove the bolt underneath the plastic panel, then move the mudguard a little bit in order to remove the last bolt. And that's the bolt right there that we need to remove for the bumper. Next, we need to remove this plastic cover on the top of the bumper, but it's held by a couple of plastic clips that we need to remove. We'll remove them and then remove the plastic cover. I'm going to remove the plastic cover along with this grill in the middle. So there is a couple of bolts holding this grill. There is also two plastic clips that hold this grill on the inside. One of them is just there. The other one is just there, so we need to push them in. I've already pushed them in, I'm just showing it now. And now we can take out the bumper along with the grill. And that's the bumper removed. So now we need to disconnect the two connectors for the bottom lights, and now we can take out the bumper. Thank you for watching.